Hey guys, it's the Basement Beauty here, and I'm back with another quick video for Stitch Fix. This is my second Stitch Fix box, and if you watched my first video, I received a $40 credit from them somehow, and I got my first box about a month and a half ago, sent everything back. Just wasn't my style, so this is my second box, and let's just jump into it. I had this box for a little 3 weeks now. I wanted to shoot this video, so I'm just now opening it for you guys. For those of you who don't know, Stitch Fix is like a monthly membership or subscription for clothes for $20 a month, and you get 5 selections, I believe, each month, and you decide if you like the items. If you like them, you buy them. Your $20 goes towards whatever you decide to keep, or you can send it all back and get another box every 4 weeks, 6 weeks, 8 weeks, 3 months, you decide. So let's jump into my box. It came on nice and wrapped up. Let's see. This is the bag that you send it back in, the things you don't want. There's also a card. It kind of gives you fashion tips, like, so for each item that you get, like if I have this shirt, it'll like show you how to wear it, what to match it up with. So some little tips and suggestions. And then this is the sheet that tells you how much everything costs. So let's jump in. And I'm not gonna lie, I did cheat a little bit, and I looked at my items online because I had the box for so long. Yeah, I can't really wait. I can't wait. I didn't open the box because I wanted to do it here, but I did look online, and I wasn't crazy about everything, but we're still gonna go through them, and maybe when I try them on, I'll like them. The first item in the box is right here. So it is by 41 Hawthorn, and it's a Henri Surplice wrap ruched knit top. So I kind of like the shape of it. We'll see, is that black or blue? It's black, and it's in a size medium. The next thing are these OM Fit by Gaiam, and it's workout capris. It has some little like design here. I don't know if you can see that, like that little design. I like the material. They're very stretchy, and the OM Fit, it says these are in a large. Yeah, and we'll see. I do need some workout pants, so we'll see what I think about those. And then there are a pair of jeans. I got a jeans in my last box, and I loved them. They were just a tad bit too big. I did put a note asking for a smaller size, so hopefully these are a 10. I'm not that small, but we'll see. The last ones I got were a 12, and they were a little too big, so we'll see. These are slim boot mid-rise curvy. They're cute. I like them. A little distressed at the bottom tad bit. I love that look though, and they are kind of stretchy, so we'll see. And I'll go over the prices after I try them on. This was the one thing, because I love stripes, that I saw that I kind of like, so we'll see how this fits. And it's just kind of like a little hoodie, a little sports top, and this is kind of me. So it's a hooded knit top, medium, market in Spruce. But I do like the material. I like how long it is, and I just think it's cute. So we'll try that on. And last but not least, we'll see how it looks on. Love Ellie Mia back detailed pullover. It's a sweater. I'm just not crazy about it. There's nothing about it I'm crazy about. I don't like the material. I don't like the color. Like, I just don't like any of it. I'm gonna go and try all this on and be right back. Okay guys, I'm back, and these are the workout pants. I'm actually standing on my stool. These were by Gaiam, Steller High Rise Performance Large. These are $48. For them to be a large, I mean, I guess I could have gained weight after Thanksgiving, but they're a little snug. The material is very nice, and the detail on the leg is nice. They go right above the ankle. So I do like the design on them. Yeah, so they're nice. I do like them, but I'm not gonna pay $48 for these. Stay tuned for the next items. Okay guys, I'm back with the jeans, and I have to say that these fit a lot better. I'm surprised, honestly. I can get into a 10. I have to think that these run a little big, but whatever the case, I am very happy that I can fit these and snap them. And these jeans, like the last pair, are so cute. I think the fit is flattering. The material is super comfortable. I love the length, like love the length of these. I love this part, like the lines. I like the pockets. I like everything about these jeans. So I may have to keep these, guys. I think I found an item that I really like. And these are, oh, they're silver jeans again. I think the other ones were Elyse Bootcut in a 10, and these are $69. So if I were to keep them, I would pay $49. But a good pair of jeans for 50 bucks is a good deal. So we may be keeping these. Stay tuned for the tops. Okay guys, here's the sweater that I hated everything about. I actually love how it feels on. It's very soft. I love the cut. It gives a little chest but not cleavage, which I'm beyond the age where I like a lot of cleavage, so I think this cut is perfect. The back, I actually do like the detail back there. It's nice and feminine, and you know, don't mind this. I had a little extra turkey and mac and cheese for the holidays. The only thing that I'm not in love with is the length of the sleeves. Like, I'd rather a shirt be too long than like short. I don't like to do this. I know some people do this, and that's just not my thing. You know, I will get 3/4 sleeves in like the summer and the spring, but I don't like to have to do that with my shirts. So if these sleeves were a little longer, honestly, I would actually keep this because I think it's super cute. I think the color is good on my complexion. I love the material. It's super soft. And this goes for $44. So again, more than I would like to pay for a sweater, but I think this is cute. So let me know what y'all think. Stay tuned. All right, so I'm back with my black wrap ruched shirt, and I gotta say, I enjoy this shirt. I'm all about material, and this is like, what is this? Like, what is that? Let's see what we have there. So, all right, so maybe the hanger was in my shirt. I don't know, it just freaked me out, but moving on. The material is like breathable. I feel like it's good quality, but then all of this is so thick, and I don't know if you could like see the detail in the shirt. It is layered, and I love how it bunches right here. Like, it kind of camouflaged that turkey and too much mac and cheese and collard greens. And again, I love the cut. So, you know, if I'm all breaking it down or doing good. So I really do like this shirt. I think it looks cute. Yeah, so let me know what y'all think. I think I might keep this. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see, because the jeans are already $68. I only have $20 going on it, and this shirt is $48. So let's see the last shirt that I thought I would like, and we'll go from there. Stay tuned. Hey guys, I'm back with the final shirt, and unfortunately, I'm not a fan. So, I mean, I think the neck, I don't know. I don't know if it's the thick, like, shoestrings. Like, I don't know if it's just too much stripes. Like, I like stripes. I just feel like it's too busy for me. I think the fit is nice. I love the sleeves. Like, they come down nicely. I think the material is nice. I love having these pockets in the front. It's a little thinner than I would like. It has like this design in the back, which is okay. Yeah, I don't know. It's just, it's not doing it for me. Like, and this is, how much is this? Oh my gosh, first of all, this is a medium and it's $58. Absolutely not. Without even thinking about it, I have to love a shirt to spend $58 on it. And I don't love it. After looking at everything online, I thought this was gonna be the one thing that I liked out of the bag. So yeah, I thought this would be the shirt that I really wanted, because it looked like a me shirt. And it's not. Instead, I like the two shirts that I thought I'd hate. Isn't that how it always goes? So right now I'm even sitting in these jeans. They feel amazing. They are so comfortable. So definitely the jeans. I'm getting those for sure. $69. And then the shirt that I like is $48. So that would put me at $117 minus $20. So still right around $100 with tax. And I guess I just don't love that shirt enough, and I wish I loved the other items enough, because the way this works, if you keep and keep all 5 items, you get a 25% discount. So the total of this box was $267. If I kept everything, I would save $66.75. And that would minus the $20 credit, so I would pay $180 for everything in a box. I'm gonna have a hard time paying $100 for 2 items, knowing that if I kept all of them, I would pay $80 more. Like, that's just the way my brain works. So I think the only thing I'm gonna keep in this box this time are those jeans, because I would be comfortable paying $50 for a good pair of jeans. And the black shirt was cute, but I don't have to have it. I have a lot of black shirts already in my wardrobe. I don't have one like that. I think that shirt is really pretty. But again, I just don't want to pay that $48. It's not that pretty to me. So there you guys have it. It's my second Stitch Fix box. I don't know if I'm going to keep it going, seeing as though I'm all out of credits. I spent my 40 bucks, and I don't know if I want to spend my own $20 every month on a box, feeling obligated to buy at least one item so that I don't just lose my $20. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I may do it one more time, because it seems like the stylist got it a little bit better for me this time. She read the notes that I put in. She sent me smaller sizes, and I'm happy with her selections a little bit more than I was in the first box. So I might give it one more try just to see what I think, and actually spend the $20 and keep my fingers crossed that I like the whole box, because that's the goal for me. I rather like all 5 pieces so I can get the 25% discount, have my $20 go towards it, and get like a great deal on 5 items. It's only my second box. It hasn't happened yet, but you never know. So maybe I'll give it, they say what, 3's the charm. Maybe we'll give it one more time and we'll see. Thank you guys so much for coming back to my channel and watching this. Please drop me comments, questions below. If you have Stitch Fix, do you like them? Did you have success, no success? And definitely subscribe to my channel because I got a lot of new material coming towards the end of the year and definitely in 2021. Thank you again. Have a good one.